All right, guys, so I'm working on a 2015 Honda Sonata, and we're doing the third or center brake light, which is housed underneath this carpet piece there. So, real quick and easy. Another YouTube video showed me how to get started, which gave me the right direction. However, I found some shortcuts, so I figured I'd share them. So, first thing you'll do is drop down these the back seats, which you have to unlock them inside the trunk. And then you gotta take off the 5. There's one right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the top. They're 10mm bolts. And then that'll free up the back end of this carpet piece that's on top, which holds the light. So once you do that, then you come on the side and you have this side trim. It looks like that there. It says airbag on here, and kind of sketched me out for a second, but after a little research, I learned there's no airbag inside there. I guess the airbag is up here in the roof. So you get yourself some sort of small skinny pick. You get in here real easy after you take off the door trim. You just pull that straight off. No tools, nothing. Just get in there and pull it gently with your fingers. And you get in here and pop that plastic off. Pop it off on the top, and then you can pull it straight out. This side panel here, when you drop the seats, you can just lift it up a little bit. It has a little bit of flex to it, and that'll let that go free. So then once you do that, same thing on both sides. On the other side over here, underneath this one, is where you can disconnect your plastic wire harness connector right there. Real nice and easy, just gentle, disconnect, easy peasy. And then your top carpet part is free to move. So you can lift it up, slide it back along the seat belts, upside down here. And then you can see your brake light is ready to go. So the only way to remove this is by pushing it through. It's gonna be a little sticky because you know, it's been in there for plenty of years with the factory glue and whatnot. So you give it a good firm press on the center and it'll pop out and go forward that way. The factory wire harness is gonna be glued along the underside of this. So just gently peel it up as you come out. If you damage it, no big deal. This end is a whole connected, getting thrown away with the old light. And then the new light, same thing but reverse. You're just gonna come in from this way, push it in, and then you'll take your connector, connect it back under there, and throw it all back together. So all in all, shouldn't take you more than like 30 minutes. The only tool you'll need is a 10mm socket and something flat and skinny to get under there and pop the side panels off. But that's all. Good luck.